Hello and welcome to the Computational Genomics Lab Level 1.
I'm Kit.
I'm John, and what did you think of Level 1?
Yeah, so level one was really awesome and very helpful to the rest of this class when you get there. So, what's really important about genomics is having the right tools and right steps to be able to run the analysis and the fun stuff later. And can you tell me a little bit like what those tools are?
Yes, so you need a terminal so that you can connect to supercomputers or inside your local laptop, file transfer programs so you can swap between, the cloud and your laptop, and they're all free. So, yeah, and then we're also going to install R as the last package to install. And that's the language we're going to use for a lot of the analyses. So, like Kit said, it seems a little tedious, but these are all tools, and you're only as good as the tools you have. And so, go ahead and start watching the videos and the GitHub for code, and you can get all these tools for free.
And we look forward to seeing you on level two after this.